Assalamu alaikum. Netato Gabriel. I see multiple choice questions in history months. This is chapter 11. Yet the Church Dash This is a book of great events of one or more heroes in an elevated style, narrating continuously. Achu sor jawab unke hoya. Epic cho poetry cho drama cho none of these. Yim khali jai ho maz cho asmatali at imuk sawal yani gonduk sawal yuzan cho emuk jawab asi telakon yatat epic. Kya lakon epic. Epic is a book of great events of one or more heroes in an elevated style, narrating continuously. Doyim chu byak aise systematic knowledge based on reasoning is called philosophy, mathematics, science, the genealogy. The emuk jawab as science is called science. And a systematic knowledge based on reasoning is called science. Patsutriyam. Dash was a great astronomer. Actually, Aryabhat, Valmiki, Banabata, Kalidasa. Actually, yani jawab asli Aryabhat. Yemot soro mancho kus Aryabhat. Aryabhata. Hoyan. Patsusuryam. Dash is recognized as the author of the Sanskrit Ramayana. Sor jawab hoedvon Banabhata, Kalidasa, Valmiki, Aryabhat. Tadar temuk jawab asi ye Valmiki telekhom Valmiki Valmiki is recognized as the author of the Sanskrit Ramayana. Hadriyal. Patshubyak. Punchim question which this is type of stupa. Aachur jawab hai round, tall, big, all of these. Yani tilch as jawab likhe sarne all of these ye likho jawab ronkin yatat all of these. Yemot soro mas sotra bigri chiyo jawabat all of these. Toro bigri. Pachu question shiyam which of these deities was worshipped in the earliest Hindu temples? Actually, get bunkin Vishnu, Shiva, Durga, all of these. Toro bigri. Atishyakon aise kya? Which of these deities was worshipped in the earliest Hindu temples? All of these. Lako atim jai. For degree answer all of these. Yani sorry. For degree that is Vishnu te Shiva te Durga te. For degree Yumus sorry Vishnu Shiva Durga. Yani yet jako itle ke is Vishnu Shiva Durga te. Patsudash was a mathematician and astronomer. Aryabhat osa, Kalidasa osa, Banabhata osa, Zhang osa. The Aryabhat lakon as jawab Aryabhata. Aryabhat was a mathematician and astronomer. Him Shubyak, who composed famous Tamil epic Sillipa di Karam. The Asbun ke Kalidasa Illango Aryabhata Banabhata. The emuk jawab sho Illango. Twayat answer Illango. Patsunayam, the iron pillar of of Mehrauli is in. Bombay cha Bombay is in Mumbai man Calcutta, Kolkata wana chaz, Delhi, Madras, Chennai, तो बिगड़े ये क्या से ओस ऐसे कहती दिल्ली मंस DELHI दिल्ली तो यथ कन ऐसे हम के मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस यम लिख जो इथे कन हिस्ट्री हंद तो पता करू याद ठीक से हाँ उम्मीद छी कि तुम यम वीडियो वुचान पता यम सवाल ते तुलान ते लेखान याद करान तो अम पे वो क्या आए इंशाल्लाह रहमान शादी की जिंदगी बहुत है सो आयंद हाँ बहुत शुक्रिया।